Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on NEOM, NEOM Media Technologies Incorporated. I've had some requests on this one, and I've been busy, so I haven't quite been able to get to it, but I want to knock this one out real quick. Not going to be anything special, but I did want to point out a few things on the chart. All these lines you see are from previous times I've done the video, and this is what's called a support level right there, and what you want to see there is a price hold up if it ever goes down and tests that. And as you can see, the previous history of the chart does show that it's been proven to be strong, and currently right now sitting right at it again. So it's one of those good risk reward setups where you're not risking too much if you put in a tight stop loss, but if it does bounce for you, you got quite a bit of upside. So that's kind of the main reason to get this chart right now, to show the trade setup that is presenting itself for next week. So just to kind of highlight this and hopefully make it a little easier to see, let's say you hopped in right here around 0.016. Well, you could put your stop loss in right around this area. So if we make that a box, you can see that this would be your risk right here. Not too much, but let's say it bounces and goes up to this resistance level up here, which would be the next resistance. So if we make that a box, you can see that this would be your reward right here. So you're only risking this much, but the potential upside reward is this much. So that's what I mean by a risk versus reward. So this next week, this could be a good play here. Now if this fails, then that's where you have to honor your stop losses if you're getting in for a trade. Now you might be in for a longer term swing trade, or maybe you're just in this for the long term no matter what. So it really depends on what your strategy is, but the point being that it's right around this area of support, it could present a good trade. As always, you want to keep your eye on volume. Any sort of bounce, you would ideally like to see above average volume on that to show that the interest is increasing. Not saying it can't go up with the same amount of volume it's been having, but if you get an increase in volume, that'll definitely help out and give more confidence to people that the price will keep going up. Now in terms of resistance level, since the last time I did this, this line here was a support, but since it failed, it has now become a resistance level again. So let me change that back to red. And this is just going to be the short-term resistance level. The longer-term one is still going to be up here in this range. So I'll get that to red too. And this level is right up at about 0.023 cents. So you're looking at your support here and your two resistances up there. So like I said, nothing special for the chart, just wanted to highlight that. Overall daily chart still looking good. You have your moving averages still all sloping upwards. You have your 10 here, you have your 20 and your 50 all upsloping. You have nice separation between them, so the overall trend is still up. But in the short term, you may be having a little bounce opportunity here. If it does fall, for the longer term players, you do still have your moving averages here underneath you as support. If you have any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and subscribe for the newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook which has been getting good reviews, and with your subscription you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety there and something for everybody, and it is all free. So once more, this was NEOM. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, have a good weekend.